Hi, I'm Mary, and I'm a visual artist, and I work mainly with traditional mediums such as clay, watercolor paint, acrylic paint, and ink. I like that the art making process is a never-ending learning journey, and that it opens up opportunities for me to play, explore, and experiment with different mediums, and more so to give me the chance to work with different kinds of people. This workshop will present quite a few challenges to you and will require you to problem solve on your own. Problem solving is an essential life skill and is something that you can apply in other aspects of your life. And during this creative process, in problem solving, you will probably find just as much inspiration in your art making process. I would like you to understand that the creative process is more than just drawing and painting, and that it involves a lot more, such as research, reading, brainstorming, and analysis. And I find that that is just as important as the act of creating itself.